Okay, so देखो in this question a food packet is dropped from plane which, which is at an altitude of 100 meter. So the plane is at an altitude of 100 meter and say that the plane is going with a velocity vp. So every object in this plane is having the same velocity vp. Now if we drop a food packet, once we drop a food packet, so the gravity will pull it downward and it will go like this. But in addition to this velocity which is due to acceleration due to gravity, a packet is also having this velocity because it was already in the plane. Now we can say the velocity of a packet with respect to plane, so we can say it will be velocity of packet minus velocity of plane. As you can see here, the packet is having two different velocities with respect to ground. So it will be vp in the direction I cap, say I will take this as x-axis and this is as y-axis, and plus the velocity which is increasing downward j cap at any instant minus velocity of plane which is vp I cap. So you can say that this vp I cap is getting cancelled and this is nothing but u plus at, so at any time t gt. So as observed from the plane, if you observe it with respect to plane, we can say that is our first answer. What is the path of the packet as seen from the plane? So as seen from the plane, the packet is going only in downward direction with increasing speed gt at any time t. Okay, so straight downward, that is the answer for the first question, straight downward. Okay, and what is the path seen from the ground? So as I said, from the ground the packet is having two velocities, so it will be falling like this. So we can say for the second question our answer will be parabolic. The path will be parabolic. Okay, that is projectile motion wala path. If someone asks what is the actual path, so we can say that actual path is with respect to earth, what we are saying, that is parabola. Parabolic path is the actual path as seen from the ground or as per the space. If you see the motion in space, with respect to space the object is going like this, that's why. Okay, thank you.